Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about the different uses of the T-beams and the L-beams. One thing I want to clarify before jumping into specifics is that almost every advanced builder strive to make sure that their projects are structurally sound. What it means is that we don't want our pieces to be wobbly when we don't need it to. So the simplest tips is that 2 connecting points is always stabler than 1, like such. So it's easy to see that the L-beams are particularly useful for connecting other beams vertically. For the T-beams, as you can see, it is useful to connect beams into big T. Well, apart from that, the L-beams are also useful for connecting beams in parallel. By using different pins and a pair of L-beams, we can create a loop that will have multiple connecting points for stable parallel structures. And by putting the L-beams in different orientations, we can create different distance for the 2 parallel beams, like no distance, 1 unit length, 2 unit length, and 3 unit length, and more.